Chapter 1 Class Quiz Question 4e. Find the smallest integer q such that 252q is a perfect cube. So what's the meaning of a perfect cube? A perfect cube is a number that can be expressed as a product of its prime factors, where all the powers of its prime factors are multiple of 3. So let's look at 252. Firstly, 2 squared. Is this power already a multiple of 3? No. Hence, we need to try to multiply by q to increase the power to become the nearest one, which is 2 cubed. So what do we need to do? We need to multiply the number 2 to the power of 1. Okay, and the second one, factor, this is 3 squared. This is not yet power 3. Okay, so we need to multiply by q to make it such that it will become 3 cubed. So the number that we need to multiply will be 3 to the power 1. We will need to look at the next factor, 7. So we need to try to make it become the factor 7 to the power of 3. That's the nearest one. So what do we need to do? We need to multiply by 7 to the power of 2. Okay, so that this will give me a perfect cube. So what is the number q that I have multiplied? Which is 2 times 3 times 7 squared. That will give me the number 294. Next one, question 4f. Find the smallest integer r such that 972 divided by r will give you a perfect cube. So to get a perfect cube, we need the numbers as a product of its prime factors, where all the multiples are multiple of 3. But in this case, because we are dividing away r, the powers that we are going to have can only be decreased rather than increased. So it cannot be increased, it can only be decreased. So in this case, let us look at the factors for 972. 972, the first factor is actually 2 squared. I cannot increase this factor to become 2 to the power 3. Hence, I have to totally remove it. That means my r will be 2 squared, where I divide away 2 squared totally. Okay, and there will be no more 2 squared left. Then the next factor will be 3 to the power of 5, but this one cannot be increased to 3 to the power of 6. Hence, we can only try to decrease the power to make it become 3 to the power of 3, where the power is the nearest multiple of 3. So in this case, what do I need to divide away? I need to divide away 3 to the power of 2, such that 3 to the power of 5 divided by 3 to the power of 2 will give me 3 to the power of 3. So what is this number r that we have gotten? It will be 2 squared times 3 squared, which is the number 36.